In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Base44 credits for free in the simplest way possible. If you use Base44 and want to start with the free plan without paying anything, this is the fastest way to get access to the monthly credits that come with it. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this because it really helps the channel grow. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open Base44 in your browser. Once the site loads, look for the sign-in option and log in using your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one first, then come back and sign in. After you're signed in, Base44 will automatically place you on the free plan if that's what your account is eligible for. The free plan comes with a set amount of message credits and integration credits every month, and those credits refresh on the monthly cycle. You do not need to do anything extra, apply for anything, or enter payment details just to receive the free credits on the plan. So once you're signed in, simply go to your dashboard and check the plan details. You should see the credits available to use for messaging and integrations. This is the important part. The credits are granted automatically, so the main step is just signing in and confirming that you're on the free tier. From there, you can start using Base44 with the monthly credits included in the free plan. That's really all there is to it. If you were looking for a quick way to get Base44 credits for free, the answer is to sign in and use the free plan that includes monthly message and integration credits. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.